Hey there, Montana here, taking a rest. I'm working on a flower bed right now next to the garage. Had to pull up one of those weeds that just take over everywhere. That was pretty tough. So I'm sitting here drinking a nice glass of ice water. Glad you joined me. If this is your first time here, welcome. And finally found the property of my dream. 2 acres of tranquility. But now comes the fun part, the work. Oh my goodness, and there's a lot of it, let me tell you. But my goal is to make it a haven, a beautiful haven full of flowers and self-sustaining vegetable garden. And me and a friend of mine here in Coffee Springs, Chance, is turning the garden today, which has been a real work of art. And there's lots of roots, and so when you see it in its finished product, remember, it took hours of labor. Hours. And but anyways, I wanted to say that I'm open for donations. And when I say donations, I'm talking about plant donations, bulbs for flowers, trees, cuttings. I'll take cuttings as well, because everyone out there knows I'm a green thumb. There's really not a plant that I can't grow. And we're in Zone 8. So here in Zone 8, we have a nice soil, lots of worms in the dirt, just really beautiful, quiet and tranquil. And so anyways, I'm looking to develop this property in the next couple of years. And if you want to send a tree or some bulbs, I'll certainly add them to my gardens in your name. And maybe one day you can come visit and enjoy this beautiful, tranquil property, the best kept secret. So I'll be posting my P.O. box in the details, where you can send bulbs, cuttings. There's plenty of room. Any gardening stuff, I'll take it, because I certainly can use it. Because like you, I'm working class. And so I would appreciate it. So anyways, thanks for joining. And I hope you subscribe, don't forget. And come with me on this journey of turning this property into a heaven on earth. See you till next time.